Hi, this is Brett Sundyke with Rosenbaum, the intellectual property lawyers and firm behind Amazon Seller's Lawyer. I want to talk to you today about registering your trademark. It's very important these days for your brand owner to register a trademark, a patent, whatever you're going to do, copyright. There are a lot of spoof emails out there, and their rights owners are fake, and they're coming to you, and they're going to, in some cases, pretend they're the rights owner, and they're going to slap you with a intellectual property complaint or violation. It may be enough to take your listing down or even take your account down. So it's important you register your brand first. It's a very big situation on Amazon. It doesn't take much to register a trademark, and it also doesn't take much to register a complaint against a brand. So do this right away. It's important, especially in this environment now. People looking to make money and get their competitions off of Amazon. So it's easy to do. If you want to register a trademark, you could use us or use Amazon. We're at CJ at AmazonSellersLawyer.com, and you could call us at 1-877-9-Sellers. Thank you.